Imagine walking into a room feeling confident, knowing exactly how to dissolve her walls, ignite genuine connection, and leave her wanting more, all without the cheesy lines, desperate attempts, or superficial chit-chat. Sounds like a superpower. It's not magic. It's psychology, timeless, proven, and surprisingly simple once you understand the core principles. These aren't tricks, they're tools rooted in human nature, designed to make her feel seen, heard, and appreciated almost instantly. And the best part, you don't need to be a smooth talker or a silver-tongued Casanova. All you need is a handful of powerful questions, 7 to be exact, that unlock her heart faster than you think possible. Ready to learn? Let's dive deep into the art of connection. Question 1. What's the story behind that smile? This isn't just small talk, it's an invitation. When you ask her about her smile, you're doing more than complimenting her beauty or her vibe. You're inviting her to share a moment that brought her happiness, pride, or relief. Smiles are emotional barometers. They reveal what she values, what makes her genuinely happy, and what she's grateful for. Think about it. A woman's smile often masks her deepest feelings, her hidden joys, or her triumphs. By asking about her smile, you're showing genuine curiosity. And people instinctively feel more connected when they're listened to, when someone cares about what made them laugh or lightened their day. Instead of surface-level banter, you delve into her emotional landscape. Maybe she smiles because she just reunited with her best friend, or she remembers a childhood memory that still makes her beam. Whatever it is, that story becomes a thread that links you to her, creating an emotional bond rooted in authenticity. Plus, this question sets a relaxed tone. It's warm, personal, and makes her feel special, not just another face in the crowd. When you connect on that level, barriers fall away. She starts to see you as someone who's not just passing time, but genuinely interested in her world. Question 2. What's something you've learned about yourself recently? This question flips the usual script of "What do you do?" or "Where are you from?" and plunges into the realm of self-discovery. It signals that you value growth, authenticity, and self-awareness, traits women find irresistibly attractive. When she shares what she's learned about herself, she's revealing her mindset, her resilience, her evolving identity. More importantly, this question creates a safe space for vulnerability. It's not about revealing your deepest secrets. It's about showing that you're open to growth and reflection. When she talks about her recent realizations, whether it's overcoming a challenge, discovering a new passion, or letting go of old baggage, she's giving you a glimpse into her inner world. That's gold for connection. People are naturally drawn to those who are self-aware because it signals strength, stability, and maturity. It's the Stoic way, accepting your flaws, recognizing your growth, and embracing change. When you demonstrate that same mindset, being curious about her personal evolution, you create a powerful resonance. She instinctively senses that you're someone worth investing in, someone who's not just surface level, but deeply grounded. Question 3. What's a moment in your life that changed everything? Here's where vulnerability meets storytelling. Asking about pivotal life moments taps into the universal human experience. Everyone has a story of transformation, hardship, or triumph. When she recounts her change-the-game moment, she's reliving that emotional peak. She's sharing what shaped her, what made her stronger, what gave her perspective. This isn't just about listening, it's about connecting on a visceral level. When she reveals a moment that altered her trajectory, she's exposing her vulnerability. That's the fastest route to trust. As you listen, you acknowledge her experience, validate her feelings, and reflect her courage back to her. Stories forge bonds because they're emotional. They contain lessons, hopes, fears, and dreams, elements that resonate deeply. When you show genuine interest and empathy, she begins to see you as someone who understands her, not just on the surface, but at her core. Plus, these stories often reveal her values, what she stands for, what she fears, what she aspires to. That insight is priceless. It gives you clues on how to deepen the connection or pursue shared goals. Question 4. If you could relive one moment in your life, which would it be? This question is a treasure trove of insight. It's about her happiest, most meaningful memories, the moments she cherishes most. When she shares her glory days, she's opening a window into her heart's deepest desires and passions. Why does this work so well? Because happiness is contagious. When she talks about her favorite moment, her face lights up, her energy shifts. You get to see her true self, unfiltered, joyful, alive. It's also an excellent way to discover what she values most, whether it's a family reunion, a career achievement, or a spontaneous adventure. Furthermore, this question subtly invites her to think about what she truly wants in life. It's a gentle nudge to reflect on her goals and dreams, which creates an emotional tie. If you listen carefully, you might find common ground, shared passions, similar dreams that can be cultivated into something more meaningful. Question 5. Who is the person you admire most and why? Everyone admires someone, be it a mentor, a family member, a historical icon, or even a fictional character. Asking about her role model reveals her ideals, her aspirations, and her moral compass. It's like peering into her soul's mirror. When she shares who she admires and why, she's exposing her core values. Maybe she looks up to her grandmother's resilience, a Nobel laureate's brilliance, or a friend's unwavering kindness. Whatever the answer, it's telling you what she aspires to be, or what qualities she holds dear. This question also signals that you're interested in her moral framework. That's powerful because it creates a sense of shared integrity and authenticity. When she feels you genuinely care about her values, trust deepens naturally. Plus, her admiration can serve as a blueprint for your future interactions. If she admires kindness, humor, perseverance, or courage, you can subtly align your behavior to resonate with those qualities, building a stronger bond. Question 6. What's a dream you've yet to chase? Dreams are the lifeblood of the human spirit. Asking about her unfulfilled ambitions shows you care about her growth and future. It's not just idle curiosity, it's an invitation to explore her deepest passions, her potential, her what could be. When she talks about her dreams, whether it's starting a business, traveling the world, or learning a new skill, you're tapping into her motivation. You're also positioning yourself as someone who encourages her ambitions, not dismisses them. This question naturally leads to a more hopeful, forward-looking conversation. It's about possibility, potential, and the courage to pursue what truly matters. When she feels that you see her as someone capable of greatness, her respect and attraction grow exponentially. Question 7. What does a perfect day look like for you? This isn't just about her ideal weather or favorite breakfast. It's a reflection of her true happiness, her values, and her sense of fulfillment. When she describes her perfect day, she's painting a picture of her authentic self, what makes her feel alive, satisfied, and at peace. This question also opens the door to future plans or shared experiences. Maybe she dreams of a quiet morning reading, a spontaneous adventure, or a meaningful connection with loved ones. Whatever she describes, it reveals what she deeply desires. Plus, it subtly communicates that life isn't just about routines or obligations, but about creating moments of joy. When you understand her perfect day, you gain insights into how to make her feel appreciated, loved, and understood. Why do these questions work so powerfully? Because they tap into her psyche's deepest layers, her emotions, her dreams, her vulnerabilities. They're rooted in Stoic psychology, acknowledging that authentic connection isn't built on superficiality, but on resilience, understanding, and mutual respect. People crave genuine connection. They crave to be seen and heard for who they truly are, not what they appear to be on the surface. These questions cut through the noise, creating a space where vulnerability is safe, trust can blossom, and attraction naturally follows. And here's the truth. The moment she feels truly understood, that's when the magic happens. It's not about clever lines or rehearsed routines. It's about embodying curiosity, empathy, and authenticity. When you approach conversations with that mindset, these questions become your tools, bridges, not barriers. But here's the real secret. It's not just about asking questions. It's about how you listen. It's about your presence. Genuine curiosity paired with active listening creates an environment where she feels safe to open her heart. The more you listen without judgment, the more she relaxes, the more she reveals, and the faster the connection accelerates. Remember, humans are wired for connection. We seek understanding, validation, and shared experience. When you leverage these questions with sincerity, you're not just having a conversation, you're creating a moment of profound human bonding. And if you're wondering how to take this further, it's about consistency. Practice these questions, but also embody the Stoic qualities: resilience, patience, humility. Be genuine. Share your own stories when appropriate. Show vulnerability when the moment feels right. Because connection isn't a one-way street, it's a dance, an exchange of truths, hopes, fears, and dreams. In the end, the most magnetic people aren't those who have the slickest lines or the most impressive tricks. They're those who listen deeply, understand authentically, and dare to be vulnerable. When you master that, you become unforgettable. So next time you're in a conversation, skip the superficial nonsense. Dive into these questions. Be present. Be curious. Let her reveal her true self. Because the moment she feels truly understood, that's when everything changes. And trust me, once you tap into that power, you'll never want to go back to surface-level chatter again.